Hey everyone, finally doing the video on the 70-inch TV I've been hoarding for a while. I was hoping the issue is going to be internal power supply or a motherboard or something, but it ended up being that the whole screen is cracked and destroyed. As you can see, this thing just peeling off, completely trashed. Piece of garbage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it apart. I would say it's not a good idea to send all the parts to scrap, but I'm sure some will. But the boards, power supply, all that stuff still work on it, and they are worth money. I've checked it out a little bit. Motherboards, power supplies, 100 to 50 bucks, little buttons and stuff, 10, 20 bucks. So it's not worth throwing it all in the trash and scrapping it, sending the boards to wherever you do your scrapping. But this is it, and I'm going to start taking it apart and see what's inside. Maybe get some values on eBay and stuff. So this thing's massive. I'm going to try my best to show you guys what all this looks like. There you go. So we got some screws. I probably have a lot of screws, not some. So let's start taking this bad boy apart. Good thing about this guy is that it comes with the stand, the feet, and those alone should be worth a nice little price. People always looking for stands and stuff. They're brand new. Because this actually came in a box. I find that little screws like this, if you sell them as a set, you might be able to get a few bucks for two. So I'm definitely gonna hold on to these. I've taken apart a flat screw once before, but nothing this big. And like I said, the parts are valuable. We're not talking about hundreds, multiple $100s or thousands in parts, but you know, a motherboard might be 50 depending on the model, or 100. And you got power supply, which is usually what goes on these things.